So I just did reopen it, and let's just move on. First of all, right click, clear filter. It's like a refresh in Windows. You see there is something that shouldn't be there, and you see it's just saying that this should be here. Let's just change their position. No, there. Let's just, it should connect to there, and this one. See, there is some bug in Altium. It is okay. I hope they will fix it. So let's just root this. We don't want a big track, but in here we can use it. With tab, I will go to this property, and the width maybe 25 is good. That's good. And next, this one 25 is okay. Just click here. You see distance between here and here is so much important. Then let's just try this. So if the client just connect a high voltage here, let's say 100 volt, it won't short it to this path. Let's do this now. I think it is okay now. This can be a little better. You see, it's not good. Let's just do it like this. Of course, in here we can do something. Let's hit L, and in here just tell Altium don't show anything but show top layer. You will see how it is easier. No, let's just again do this. That's good. I think it's good now. Of course, we can do something else. Let's just show all the layer. With Shift S, we can go to the single layer. So this top layer will be masked. So you see, it is easier to root with Shift S. I mean, single layer. First of all, we want to put capacitor of this in their pins. So let's just do this. Go to its schematic, open it, and in here you have two capacitors. Let's just select them with holding Shift and left click, and in here with TOC on keyboard, select them, and you see they're in bottom layer already. So let's just put it here. It will snap to the grid, so it is okay. And let's just find VCC. VCC is here. See, that's good. Next, what we should do? It's not a lot of component here, so we can just put it wherever we want. Let's just put this here. We will change its position later. It's pull-up resistor. Let's just take it, and with the L go to the bottom layer and put it in the exact this position. You see, we want pull this button and this pad. We want to pull this pad and this pad high with this resistor that here. If you go to bottom layer, you can see just bottom layer and just put it wherever you want. I think it will be good to put it in the middle or on this pad. Let's just hit with the middlemost. No. Let's just hit L and go to top layer, select it. Again with L, go to the bottom layer and put it in here. So this way it will snap to the pad. That's okay. So what else? These two resistor. One of them is here. And another one is here. Let's just put this on the bottom layer as well. L and this way maybe is better. So in bottom layer, this as well in the bottom layer. So that's okay. What else? These two is together. Can we put it here? No. Let's just put it here. And its resistor should be here. That's good. Select these two, align AT for aligning top, and these two AT aligning top, and these two A align horizontal center reference to this. That's okay. Let's select these two and A, hit A on your keyboard, align horizontal center reference to this, and that's okay. So what else? We have these. You see, if we put it here, I think it's a good place. In here we have a space and we can use it. 5 volt is here, GND is here, and one wire is here. So it is a good position. DS1 wire, one wire. We can just connect it to this, and you know that when this tree can be used to connect wire to it, and further away from our board we can have a humidity sensor that use one wire, or temperature sensor. Let's just move this here and make some space here because we want something else to do here. In one wire you need a pull-up resistor for this data button. So let's just save this with Ctrl S and go to a schematic, and in here just pull it up, copy paste a resistor from here, Ctrl C to copy, and in here Ctrl V to paste. What we should do here to be beautiful, let's just hit a space to rotate it and put it there, I think. No, let's just connected. With this, we will just pull it high with 1K. No matter what you place there, because you can change it later. So that I think is good. Let's just again animate this. Animate, because we add new component, we should animate it and update our PCB. We don't want room. We will work with room with next PCB that we want to design. Let's just execute changes. And now we have this R1. If you hit Shift S again, you will see that it's just top layer. And if you hit Shift S again, it will show all the layers. Let's just change this R1 font to true type and bold it. That's good. And take this and put it here. Let's just change this to go from here to here, so we have a space from here, and select this pad and this pin. Hit A on your keyboard, align horizontal center, and reference to this. Now it is aligned. And let's just select it with Control and arrow key up in your keyboard. You can just move it up a little, so it is okay for now. What else we want? We want these three for debugging. So one of them is here. Change its name, position. This one is here. Let's just select them, hit Shift S. No, in here you see Shift S is not so good for this label here. Let's just hit L and tell Altium don't show any layer, and please just show top layer and its overlay. Just close this, and now you see you can do whatever you want with it. Let's just select these two, this and this, and align top, AT. Change this, and in here align top again. It is okay, so change this. Well, we have one more. Where we should put it? We don't have a lot of space, but we can do something else. If we just take this and go from here, we have a lot of space here, and go from here and delete all of this. So we have a space in here, and we can do this now. Of course, we will just correct this all of this, and now let's just see where is this. Let's just change with dragging mouse. It is okay if you put it there and use this. It is good. Select all three, align button. These three as well, align button. One thing else I want to do, just select all these three and align distribute horizontally, so it will be distribute horizontally. So it is okay for now. Let's just correct all this. We can do it like this, or we can just do it like this. And no, it's not. It is good to be just this way. So we did place all the things that we want.